In last lecture we have covered up to heating and humidification. Now in this lecture we are going to cover cooling and dehumidification. So let us start with it. Now when this cooling and dehumidification generally used, it is used in summer season or summer air conditioning. Now let us plot this cooling and dehumidification on this psychometric chart. X-axis represents the dry bulb temperature, y-axis represents the specific humidity or humidity ratio. Now this process A22 is nothing but what? Cooling process that we have studied earlier. Then 1 to A is nothing but what? Dehumidification process, and as a result of that I am getting process 1 to 2, that is nothing but cooling and dehumidification or cooling with dehumidification. But unfortunately instead of getting this 1 to 2 I am getting process 1 to 4. There comes a term that is nothing but what? Apparatus dew point temperature, that we are going to study later on, or that is also called as a effective surface temperature of the coil. Now once again that will be repetition, what is happening during the cooling process and what is happening during the dehumidification process. Now during process A to 2, that is nothing but cooling process, what will happen? The dry bulb temperature goes on decreasing. What will happen to the specific humidity? That specific humidity remains constant. Then what will happen to the relative humidity? That relative humidity goes on increasing. And what will happen to the enthalpy? That enthalpy goes on decreasing. Similarly, during the process 1 to A, what is happening? Once again, the dry bulb temperature that remains constant. What will happen to the specific humidity? That specific humidity goes on decreasing. What will happen to relative humidity? That relative humidity also goes on decreasing. And what will happen to the enthalpy? That enthalpy also goes on decreasing. This is nothing but what? Cooling and dehumidification process, and when that process is used during summer season or summer air conditioners. Thank you.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.